So in this video, we are going to learn how to transcribe audio files from OneDrive using AI agent. So we are going to build an AI agent which is going to capture the new audio files which we are uploading in our OneDrive folder. After capturing the new files from OneDrive, this AI agent will send the same files to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, we are going to get the transcription of these audio files. After getting the transcription, this AI agent will automatically add the transcription and other file details like the file name and the file link in our Google spreadsheet as well. Now, if you want to know how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, let me just take you to my screen. So as you can see, this is my OneDrive folder in which we will be uploading the audio files. And we are going to build an AI agent using which, as we are going to upload the audio files over here, automatically this AI agent will send the audio file to OpenAI. Using OpenAI, we are going to generate the transcription of the audio file. And at last, we are going to add the audio file details like the file name, transcription, and the file link in our Google spreadsheet. Now to build this AI agent and connect all of these applications, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. And to get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Now here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, just click on this sign up free button and you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or if you are an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. Click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name my workflow as AI agent for audio transcription. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this workflow and click on create. And as we click on create, you will see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation, this workflow, this AI agent works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our OneDrive account, our OneDrive folder with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step so that this AI agent can capture the new files which we are uploading in this OneDrive folder. For that, here in the trigger step in choose app, we will search for OneDrive and select Microsoft OneDrive. Then after that, here in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new file, then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Microsoft OneDrive account with Pabbly Connect with this AI agent. For that, just click on this connect with Microsoft OneDrive button. And after that, here from the pop-up window, we just have to scroll down and click on this accept button. And as we click on accept, we will see our Microsoft OneDrive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the next thing it asks us is to set the folder path. So here we have to enter the path of the folder, the address of the folder in our OneDrive account from which we want this AI agent to capture the new audio files. Now here in my OneDrive account, I have created this folder as audio files. So we have to enter the path of this folder in which we will be uploading the audio files and we want this AI agent to get those files for transcription. And here in the help text below, it is clearly mentioned that while entering the folder path, we have to remove my files and we have to remove this arrow, replace this arrow with a slash. So to enter this file path, this folder path over here of audio files, I'll just write slash audio files. This will be my folder path. Then it is asking us event type. And in event type, we have only one option right now, that is new file created. So we are going to select it, and then when we will click on this save and send test request button, the details of the last file, the most recent file which we have uploaded in our OneDrive folder will be received over here and will be captured by this AI agent. So what we are going to do, we'll just click on this create or upload button, just select this file upload option, and after that we will just upload the audio file. I have this audio file on AI agent to auto reply YouTube comments. Let me just upload this audio file in my OneDrive folder. So the file has been successfully uploaded. After uploading this file, we'll come to Pabbly Connect workflow and then just click on this save and send test request button. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received the response. Now the response which we have received, in this response you will see we have received the details of the same audio file which we have uploaded just now. And this time this AI agent captured the response of a new file when we clicked on save and send test request. But after setting up this AI agent, creating this workflow and setting up this trigger for once, this AI agent will check for new files in our OneDrive folder every 10 minutes. So here in this response, you can see we have the web view URL of the same file which we have basically uploaded. We will scroll down further. Here you can see we have the path of the file, then we have the file format, we have the name of the same file as well. Then we'll scroll down further and you can see we have some other details of the file, like we have the download link of the same file as well. And using the download link, we can basically send the same file to OpenAI for transcription. Now in this way, the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed. Now let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we are going to send the same file to OpenAI for transcription. We will scroll down, come to this Actions tab. Here in Choose App, we will search for OpenAI and select it. After selecting OpenAI, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Generate Transcript. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just go to your OpenAI account, go to Dashboard, and from the dashboard, on the left sidebar, you can see this API keys option. Click on API keys and click on this Create New Secret Key button. Then we have to give this API key a name, so I'm naming it as AI Agent for Audio Transcription. You can give any other name as per your choice. Select the project of your OpenAI account for which you are generating the API key and permission as all, and click on this Create Secret Key button. As we click on Create Secret Key, the API key is generated. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as you click on Save, you will see our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the audio file URL. So here in the field of audio file URL, we have to enter the link of the same audio file which we have uploaded in OneDrive. So we have connected this workflow, this AI agent offered with OneDrive in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, we have to add this response of download URL of the audio file to this OpenAI action step. And to add the trigger step responses to this OpenAI action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of audio file over here, and then here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Microsoft of a new file from OneDrive. Out of all of these responses, select the response of download URL and it will be mapped. After mapping the download URL, it is asking us for the model. So here in this dropdown, you can see we have 3 options and we have to select the model which we want to use for transcription. Whisper, GPT-4o Transcribe and GPT-4o Mini Transcribe. So I'm going to use the model as Whisper. After selecting the model, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that within few seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. And the response is received. And here in this response, you can see that in front of text, we have received the response and this is the complete transcription of the same audio file over here. So we have uploaded the audio file in our OneDrive folder and we have received the transcription of the same audio file from OpenAI. So the step 2 of building this AI agent is completed. Now let's move to step 3. And in step 3, we are going to update this transcription with the file name and file URL in our Google spreadsheet. For that, just scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button over here, and then here in Choose App, search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add New Row, then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now, as we click on Add New Connection, it is asking us to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. Then from the pop-up window, select your Google Sheets account, then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the spreadsheet. So here in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have in our Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, the spreadsheet in which we want to add the transcription details is named as Audio File Transcriptions. So from the drop down, I'm going to select the same spreadsheet as audio file transcription. After selecting the spreadsheet, it is asking us to select the sheet. Now in this Google spreadsheet, we have only one sheet named as sheet 1. That's why here from the drop down, we are going to select sheet 1. And then all the columns of data, all the column headers which we have created over here in this Google spreadsheet, you can see all of these columns as fields. And from the previous step of Microsoft OneDrive or OpenAI Action step, we are going to add the responses into the respective field. So here we have to enter the file name, and we have received the file name from OneDrive. So we will just click on this field, and from the drop down from Microsoft OneDrive responses, we will just search for the response of file name over here. Let's search for the response of file name. And here it is. Just select it and map it. Then it is asking us for the transcription. So we got the transcription from OpenAI Action step. So from the OpenAI responses, we are going to select the response of transcription and map it. And here we have to enter the file link. So from OneDrive responses, I'm going to enter the web URL over here. After mapping all the details into the respective fields, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, these details are now added in our Google spreadsheet. So let's check it. We will just go to our Google Sheet, and yes, here you can see that in our Google spreadsheet, the same file name is added. The transcription of the same audio file which we have uploaded on OneDrive is also added. And also at last, we have the link of the same file. If I click on this link, the same file will open in front of us. So in this way, you can see we built this AI agent using which we can capture the new audio files from Microsoft OneDrive, transcribe it using OpenAI, and at last add all the details in our Google spreadsheet. So not just this, you can connect multiple applications and build AI agent for multiple processes of your business using Pabbly Connect. Also, let me tell you that you will get a clone link of this same workflow of AI agent in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this AI agent for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation and build this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.